Oh, it's so cool, right?
Hi, Abby. Hi there, Bunbury.
Hi.
Hey, what are you two doing?
Oh, well, me and Bunbury are just observing nature.
Observing?
Yeah. Hey, you want to join?
But, Abby, we're not in nature. We're in the city.
Well, even in the city, there's lots and lots of nature. Like, look at this little ant.
Oh, look at that.
Elmo thought that nature meant parks and jungles and trees and animals, not just one little itty-bitty ant.
Oh, well, Elmo, actually, nature is every animal and every plant. Nature is wind and rain, and sky and sunshine. Nature is anything not made by people.
Yeah, nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere, from the sky down to the ground. Nature is everywhere, you just have to look around. Listen close and you can hear nature on our streets. Chirping birds and whooshing wind.
A buzzing bumblebee. Hi!
We throw in a sidewalk crack, worms hide under a rock.
When you look close, you can see so much nature on our block.
Nature is everywhere, from the sky down to the ground. Nature is everywhere, you just have to look around.
Feel this rough and scratchy bark.
This smooth acorn, this crunchy leaf.
There's a whole world to explore on one city tree.
The rain that makes big puddles. The mud that sticks to sticky shoes.
Nature is really beautiful and, yeah, messy too. Nature is everywhere, from the sky down to the ground. Nature is everywhere.
You just have to look, you just have to look,
You just have to look around. Mommy,
Yeah?
can Elmo and Abby find more nature on Sesame Street?
Oh, sure you can. I want to find some too.
Oh, sure, let's look together.
Yeah. Oh, look, a butterfly.
Oh, hey, a squirrel.
Oh, feel that sun on your face.